Okay, that's clearly not what I intended. So it's the height that's being clamped. Wait, what is this clamping? What? I actually have a max height and max width? Why? Oh, hang on. So that's clearly still wrong. But I'm forgetting about this. Am I drawing that as part of the audio console? I am. So this should be plus... I guess I have to move that down there. Because it needs to be plus... we might... Audio console gain to output pad plus that. No. No, not plus that. Not plus that at all. Says the record button and the text input. What is... Okay, so that is the height of it. I think I'm missing this. Gain to record pad. Draw the gain meter. Yeah, gain meter, width and height. Gain meter, max height. I think I'm missing this. What is its size? It's like 10 or something. But its height is... what? Twenty plus 10, so 30. I don't know about this. I don't think that's right, but I'm also really unhappy with how this whole system works, frankly. This whole... yeah, that looks about right. What happens if I make it smaller? Do I... No. Wait, do I get nothing? No, I get the box. So wait, is it actually 20? Okay, I guess so. Why is it 20 though? Because the actual thing itself is 10, and then we jump down another 20. No, 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 no. We don't jump down another 20. We just jump down 20. I'm really unhappy with how this whole max min size works. So we'll go define audio console label height 20. This should actually be at the top. Like that. Okay. What was that seg fault? Okay, this is actually starting to look semi-professional. I mean, clearly it's still not, right? Like, look at it. It looks amateurish, but it's starting to look like semi-professional. It looks like I'm not capturing the mouse cursor though. I wonder what happens if I click that button now. Where is it writing? I think the answer is nowhere. Okay. Look at that though. It's you know, I'm right chuffed with that. Yeah, where is it going? We should be launching the thread somewhere, which I think is under pipe audio. And I think URL. So this will be on launch. Will it? I'm really paranoid about crashing something. Yeah, so if active and it wasn't active. So active tells us, yeah, so we only do this when we exit the text box. Probe audio for devices. Yeah, so when we, I don't know how I feel about that. In fact, I know exactly how I feel about that. Not good. Support multiple inputs. Because it shouldn't kill all of them. It should just kill the current one. But you know what? It's pretty clear we don't support multiple inputs because we only draw one text box, so I'm kind of okay with it. It'll be obvious when we fix it. He says. Right, so question, what the hell's this? Isn't max audio inputs 2? Where's the continue? Oh, because it's not valid? Yeah, that's an interesting point. I wonder if off. I wonder if we can test that easily. I think the answer is no. I think we have to fake it pretty hard to get it not to crash. I mean, I guess we can just hardcode don't actually process the second one, but try and render it on the screen. So, you know, try to render a second audio device here, but don't actually process don't process the device in the background thread because it's not real. But I kind of don't care enough. Like, what's all this though? To do figure out what the fuck is happening here. And this, yeah. To do font size. Actually, to do fonts in general, like the fonts, I don't like this font at all. And this should be plus audio console label height. Okay, so what we want to do I think we want to do a couple of things. One, we want to detach this text box from the audio console and link it to both of them. I maybe also want to decouple this from the audio capture. Like, because the thing is, I think it's useful to have a mute button. And one way or another, this button's going to stay there. So I might as well keep it there. But what I would like to do, I would like to have it such that this box links both of these together for now. Like, I don't know if that's the end state I want. In fact, it's probably not the end state. I probably want to have, or maybe the default is you just have the one box here and then there's a button where it pops up a, like, you know, advanced window or whatever. But for now, what I want is just a box that links the two of them. I can possibly even, yeah, just have two boxes side by side and maybe a little lock between them. Or maybe one slightly offset from the other. Like you have one up here and then one that's like a little bit further down. I don't know. Maybe that's getting a little too cutesy. And also, I would want them to fit snug with each other. Whereas right now they wouldn't. Actually, I think they would. Yeah, I think they would. Okay, so I think... Yeah, I think first things first is refactor this bit out. Is that first things first? Eventually, at some point, I'll want to support multiple video inputs as well. For instance, the natural thing to do is have a like a placeholder screen, right? Particularly if you need to do something. I mean, what the other thing you can do is you just toggle the screen off, right? So that you don't show it. But it's fairly natural to have another screen ready so that you can put up a placeholder that hides what you're doing if you need to do something.